How can you get through your divorce quickly?
You can get through your divorce quickly by agreeing on everything up front. Okay, so let's say that you have been married for a couple years, you're relatively young, you have like a dog and a Honda Civic. That's a really simple case. And you're just going to agree that somebody's going to take the Honda Civic and pay for it, and somebody's going to take the dog, and you're going to be done, right? That's going to be super simple. If you have kids and you have hundreds of thousands of dollars in a house, then it gets more complicated, but you can still sit down with each other and negotiate out, what is this going to look like? What are we going to do with the house? What's child support look like? You can actually go through and do all of that on your own if you're savvy. And that's the quickest way to get things done. Now, the caveat with that is you can do it on your own. You can probably figure out the paperwork. But really, what happens though if you get that wrong, right? If you get the paperwork wrong and you screwed up the time with your kids, you screwed up the custody, you screwed up the house, you screwed up the alimony, you didn't calculate it correctly. These are big questions. These are tens and hundreds of thousands of dollars questions. So you really have to think, is this the way I should go about it and to get the case done as quickly as possible, or do I want to get it done right? So you can get it done quickly if you agree on everything, but you have to look and kind of weigh that and do the risk analysis and say, do I really want somebody to help me out and protect me and maximize the amount of money, maximize the amount of time I get with my kids? So that's ultimately the question you need to ask yourself.